How to get Discord ID on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how you can easily get Discord ID on your Discord app. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up a Discord app and then go to the U icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. So once you're there, just go to the gear icon on the top right and then scroll down and search for advanced. It's under app settings. Tap on it and make sure you toggle on developer mode. So once you toggle it on, now you'll be able to get your Discord ID. Come back, go to a server and then just tap on your name and you can see the three dots on the top right. Tap on it and you can see copy user ID option right there. You can just copy the user ID and paste it anywhere you like. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.